Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by ruling out the simple causes: battery, connections, and debris. First, check both Airpods and the case charge. Low power often reduces volume. Once charged, open Bluetooth settings, forget the Airpods, then reconnect to force a fresh link. While connected, inspect and gently clean the speaker mesh with a dry, soft brush or a toothpick at a shallow angle. This restores airflow and sound clarity. Make sure to test audio after each change, so you isolate which step fixed it. Next, you troubleshoot the signal and settings. Check stereo balance and accessibility so one side isn't muted. Slide center if skewed. If balance is fine, reset the Airpods by holding the case button until the LED cycles. This clears pairing glitches. Also confirm both your host device and Airpods firmware are current because software mismatches cause dropouts and EQ issues. Once updated, repair and run an audio test playlist to confirm consistent performance across volumes and finish with advanced diagnostics and escalation. If problems persist, test the Airpods with a different phone or computer to see whether the issue follows the earbuds or the original device. That tells you if it's hardware or software. Try using each Airpod solo to pinpoint a single faulty bud. If a specific unit fails or reset and updates didn't help, reach out to Apple support or an authorized repair. Warranty or battery service may be needed. One troubleshooting tip: if intermittent sound continues, clean contacts and retry pairing before booking service.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.